So today's event is about building safety. It is a public outreach that we are doing. It's been designated by the Board of Supervisors, by Supervisor Smith, a proclamation of May being Building Safety Month. And today's event is for the public to come in and ask questions about how to go about getting a permit, what is required to get the permit, inspections, plan review, and also about the maintenance of the construction that happens across the county. Plus system is the planning and land use system. It's been already launched in some phases, but a major launch for land development services and for building division and for permitting and inspections happens this fall in October. That is release 4. Historically, in the past and now, all of our systems for doing construction and development in the county are in different places. It's different softwares, different systems, different platforms that are being used. Plus is a unifying system. It's been in development for the last couple of years, and we're looking forward to making this launch so that it becomes much easier for anybody that wants to do any construction in the county.